What's up, my fellow light working art lovers? It's Simo here to take you through another new project step by step. So I started with two canvases, circle and hexagon, and used these colored foam snowflakes I found on sale to cut out hexagons, triangles, and diamonds. After gluing them in place, I slowly but surely outlined them with colored glue gun sticks. And I'll slow it down in real time here just so you can see how slow I have to move it in order to keep the glue as smooth as possible. The slightest twitch can lead to one ugly mess. Next, I ended up wasting a lot of time trying to add in more triangles with paint, but it ended up looking pretty bad, so I just covered them with another layer of foam and used holographic vinyl instead of paint. I also cut out more vinyl for the circular canvas as you see here, and then outlined it with more glue as I joined the two canvases together. Next comes using a razor blade and X-Acto knife in my first attempts to cut through canvas. After cutting out the middle hexagon, I then did the surrounding 6 diamonds and glued the pieces down to the circular canvas. Now I cut some thick poster board pieces and used a tack to hold and glue them as the walls connecting each canvas, which I then cut more vinyl to line the walls with. I outlined the edges with clear glue sticks and added some Elmer's glue so that I could use my little funnel to sprinkle white glitter and sand to make it stand out more. After it dried and I cleared off the excess glitter and sand, I went through with markers and colored in the white spaces using a purple, blue, and green theme. Now that I had the first layer of color down, I added the paint, carefully going through each tiny space, and then painted a layer of gloss over the paint with a tiny bit of glitter added for extra shine. And though I missed some parts before of adding the beads all throughout, now I'm almost done in adding the pearly white beads around the centerpiece. I chose to do white since the middle is all the colors combined and all colors of light added together make white. And finally, with all pieces in place, I went through and painted an extra layer of gloss to set it all off. And voila! What do you think? I love how it changes colors as you rotate it. That holographic vinyl is some beautiful stuff. Just gonna keep the art alive, making it happen one piece at a time. And if you're down to show some support for our scientific spiritual world, I'm happy to sell you one or make you one custom. So send me a message. Thanks for the support. Please share and subscribe for more. Thanks so much. Peace. Happy to say I finished this bad boy on my 34th birthday. Oh yeah.